New York court bans Genius Group from trading stocks and holding Bitcoin. Bitcoin, New York. A New York court's injunction against Genius Group disrupts its Bitcoin treasury strategy and fundraising efforts, intensifying financial and legal challenges. As the company contests the ruling, its bold Bitcoin-first approach faces mounting uncertainty. Last updated, April 4, 2025. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied. Last updated, April 4, 2025 at 02:01 GMT+3. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. The court order against Genius Group is part of the growing tension between decentralized financial strategies and centralized legal systems. Forced Bitcoin liquidation shows vulnerabilities in corporate crypto reserves, challenging the viability of Bitcoin-first treasury strategies amid regulatory uncertainties. This case highlights the risks of cross-jurisdictional legal conflicts, where U.S. court actions threaten foreign companies' ability to comply with local laws and governance structures. A New York court barred Genius Group from selling shares, raising funds, or using investor money to buy Bitcoin on April 3, forcing the company to liquidate parts of its Bitcoin treasury to sustain operations. The ruling, issued by the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York SDNY, follows an ongoing legal dispute involving the education and AI-focused company. Court blocks Genius Group from raising funds, forces Bitcoin treasury sale. Genius Group, which trades on the NYSE American under the ticker GNS, has been entangled in legal battles stemming from its attempt to terminate an asset purchase agreement with FatBrain AI, LZGI. The dispute escalated when LZGI shareholders filed lawsuits alleging fraud against the company's executives, Michael Moe and Peter Ritz. The SEC also launched a case related to shareholder fraud. On February 14, 2025, Moe and Ritz sought a temporary restraining order and a preliminary injunction to prevent Genius from selling shares or using funds from its $150 million at-the-market ATM, offering to buy Bitcoin. The court granted the injunction on March 13, effectively freezing the company's ability to issue shares and raise capital. In response, Genius Group has filed multiple motions contesting the ruling, arguing that the injunction disrupts the status quo and was secured through false claims. The company also submitted a transcript of a meeting with Ritz, recorded in New York on February 27, in which he allegedly described a strategy to exploit the legal process to extract money from Genius. The transcript has been included in a separate lawsuit against LZGI and its executives in a Florida court as well. As a result of the court order, Genius Group has been forced to sell portions of its Bitcoin holdings, reducing its treasury from 440 BTC to 430 BTC. The company has warned that further sales may be necessary if the injunction remains in place. The restrictions have also prevented Genius from issuing share-based compensation to employees, putting it at odds with Singaporean employment laws. The company has filed an emergency appeal with the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, seeking to overturn the injunction. At the same time, it is restructuring operations, cutting marketing expenses, closing divisions, and canceling event sponsorships to conserve resources. CEO Roger James Hamilton criticized the court's intervention, stating, "We never dreamed that a U.S. court could block the company from issuing shares, raising funds, or buying Bitcoin, decisions that should be made by shareholders or the board, not the courts." Genius Group's market cap falls below Bitcoin holdings amid court battle. Since the temporary restraining order was issued in February, Genius Group stock price has dropped 53%, from 47 cents to 22 cents. The company's market capitalization now stands at just 40% of the value of its Bitcoin holdings, raising concerns about its ability to continue operations. Meanwhile, Hamilton reaffirmed the company's commitment to Bitcoin, stating, "We will continue to fly the flag for Bitcoin, even when legally banned from building our Bitcoin treasury." Despite the court banning Genius Group from trading stocks and holding Bitcoin, the Singapore-based AI and education firm has been aggressively accumulating BTC. The company now holds 430 BTC, worth $46 million, while its market cap is $33.1 million. Genius has spent $42 million acquiring Bitcoin, mirroring MicroStrategy's treasury strategy. In just 4 months, it has allocated $40 million to BTC and plans to push that to $120 million using reserves, loans, and an ATM facility. As it stands now, with regulatory pressure mounting, the company's Bitcoin-first approach faces an uncertain future. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. How does the court ruling highlight risks for foreign companies listed in the U.S.? It shows the vulnerability of international firms to U.S. legal actions, where court rulings can severely disrupt company operations regardless of home country governance. Could this case transform corporate treasury strategies? Yes, it may push companies to diversify reserves beyond Bitcoin, balancing liquidity and regulatory risks to safeguard operational stability. What does this mean for Bitcoin's role in corporate finance? The forced liquidation demonstrates how external legal pressures can compromise Bitcoin-first strategies, raising questions about its reliability as a primary reserve asset. What lessons can other crypto-focused firms learn from this situation? They should prioritize robust legal frameworks and contingency plans to mitigate risks from regulatory and judicial interventions. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Why is crypto crashing? There's just one reason market reacts to Trump's Liberation Day. Reciprocal tariffs. Russian bailiffs can now turn criminals' Bitcoin into state revenue. Altcoin news. Fear and greed index hits 25 as crypto market returns to extreme panic sentiment. 22 hours ago, by Ruhalaman Haqqanas. Price analysis. Will Trump's tariffs crash Bitcoin again? Here's what traders need to know. 17 hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Bitcoin news. Tokyo exchange-listed Japanese gaming firm Enish announces Bitcoin buy. 1 day ago, by Tim Alper. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. March 12, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025, by Medb Keeley-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. March 3, 2025, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. What is the next cryptocurrency to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.